What's up, YouTube? So today I'm changing out my blower motor on the Charger. This is a new one. We got it from Pick and Pull, as you can see. Going back to the junkyard pools days. So to get all this out, right, we pop the glove box off. With the glove box, you got a tab here, tab on the left hand side. You push those tabs in, and then with that, the glove box comes down. But also, on the right hand side of the glove box, you got this piece right here you gotta take out. It just comes and pops out super easy. I unscrewed these three screws right there. That's like 7mm or just a Phillips. Unscrewed those, and then I had to pry down this piece right here. So you got that tab there and that tab there. I simply came in with this Harbor Freight, popped it on down, got this out. Now the next part is, oh shit, my seat was going back. I'm like, what the hell's going on? Here we got a T20 socket. So right here. And so you have a few of these that you gotta get out. Here, and then you got some in the back side. So actually, so we got 1, 2, 3. This point here, I believe, is a clip under there. And this is also a clip from under there. As you can see. So, clip, 2 clips, 3 screws, and you got this piece out. So I'm about to get on that and get this old one out. I'll put in the clip of it, how it sounded, and then I'll do it after of what it sounds like when I'm done with everything, swapping it out. All right, let me get to it. All right, so dropped it out. Listen to this. So you can see the difference based off that alone. So getting rid of this old one here. Going in with this new one. Just give you a visual of it. So yeah, take out those screws from the bottom. Put that thing on in. You'll be good to go. Now I'm about to actually spray this off. Try to clean it up, because it does look a little dusty and grimy. And then I'll put it back in. All right. There it is. Sounds way better. Don't have all that noise from the last one anymore. Okay, so we got the new one in. Verified it that it sounds good. Now we're putting this back up. So that goes on that ledge in the back. And then you push it up. And then you line your holes up underneath. Just like that there. There we go. And then my 3 screws. So that's that. Honestly, I don't think I needed to unscrew these, but I did. Doesn't really matter. You know what? Actually, while I'm in here, so this is an ex-police car. This is for their radios. So we don't have police radio anymore. So take that out. You gotta make sure your glove box hooks onto that rail, and then just grab this piece, push the glove box up. As you push the glove box up, that tab there, tab on the other side, they snap back over. Then you come here, put that through that hole, push up, locks into place. See, somewhere we're fucked up. There we go. So what happened was, I don't think we were hooked up on those latches properly. But now we're good. Alright. All you need is a screwdriver, Phillips head, T20. You can also swap your T20, put it on here, and get it done. And then some trim removal tools. And that's pretty much it. You got it. Alright, appreciate y'all watching.